How to review page likes and interests on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to review page likes and interests on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here in the top corner and then click settings and privacy, and now click settings and then just go down until you find activity log, click on it and then click here connections and then page likes and interests, and here you can manage page likes and interests on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.